Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends. Check out these monsoon lightning storms going on here. I've been out here watching these for a while. Wow. Decided to come out here and get this on video. It always goes around us. I don't hear any thundering or anything. It's just a light show going on. And I'm facing west right now. It's about 9 o'clock at night and about 95 degrees out. Wow. Amazing. Wow, there's one that just went off to the left of me. Whoa. Crazy. Going off over here to the left too, but not as much as it's going off right there. Wow. The wind is picking up. This is an amazing show I'm watching, so I don't know how it's turning up on the camera. But I have been standing out there by my gazebo and just watching it. And I said, well, you know what? This looks pretty cool. Let me get my camera. And I was like, well, I'll get out there and it'll stop when I bring the camera out here. But awesome. Even though it's 95 degrees out this with the breeze going, it feels cool outside. There's no humidity. Whoa. That lit up Mrs. Kravitz's house pretty good. That's the direction. If you watch my videos on a regular basis, I'm facing Mrs. Kravitz's house. The old dead tree is right in front of me. I wish I could, I felt a couple of raindrops. Wish I could get up on my roof and film this. There's absolutely no thundering, no lightning cracks. I can hear the cars driving in the distance. Awesome. I kept seeing my window inside my house light up, and I was like, what's going on out there? I don't hear thunder and rain or anything. That's what made me come outside. Wow. It's starting to go up to the left of me, that way more now. I do not see any stars anywhere. Let me move over here, get a better position. Whoa, look at that. I should have had my wife turn off the light. I don't know, the porch light. I have to watch where I'm walking because it's pretty dark out here. And this is the kind of weather the creepy crawlies come out. Awesome sauce. Cool. That's why when I talk about these monsoon storms and this lightning out and stuff like that, I always talk about you can feel the electricity in the air. My hair, my arms are standing up. It's cool and scary at the same time. Like I said, I lived in Florida. They have the #1 deaths from lightning strikes in Florida. But the lightning out here in Arizona is more scary than anything. Well, these things are getting bigger and brighter. I'm going to back up. Well, it's coming all the way around me now. It's coming all the way over this side. It's coming up right above me. Alright, I'm going to go back to my gazebo. cool, man. That was awesome. Alright, I'm over back here in my gazebo area. That way, you know, I got a metal thing here, so if it does strike towards me, it's going to hit the metal thing first. Probably shouldn't put my hand on it. Looking pretty awesome. Arizona monsoons. It's starting to strike over there on the left. Whoa, you see that one? Crazy, look at that. They're getting bigger. Siri, did they say it's going to rain tonight or something? It is? Call my wife Siri because she watches the news, my wife, so I have to ask her.
It's more over there. It goes around.
Yeah, it goes around us. Oh, the wind is picking up more now. When I first came outside, it wasn't windy at all. It started with a slight breeze. Look at that one. Crazy. Like watching fireworks. Now the wind is really picking up now.
Where's the wind coming?
It's coming from the west, blowing east. It's starting to blow my Saguaro screen there. Yeah. It is dark out here. If I didn't have the lights on. Oh, big gust of wind. Boom. See that big one? Woo. Guy's listening to disco music or something. Got his disco lights on. Turned the camera off for a second and there was a huge freaking lightning. It looked like it hit the ground and just one gigantic lightning bolt straight up and down. Just as I turned off the camera. My wife's like, did you get it? Oh.
Did you miss it?
Oh man, that thing looked like something hit the ground on that one. Do me a favor, go turn off the front porch light so I can get a... Turn off the front porch light. And my wife turned off the light. Look at how strong it is. Oh, that one looked like it hit the ground too. I hope I got it. I can't tell. I can't see on the viewfinder. It's so dark outside. It's like watching fireworks though. Crazy storms. Whoa! That one was crazy. Can you turn that tiny house light off too? Feels electric in here, huh? Yeah, it feels a couple little raindrops. There we go. Got all the lights off, turned off outside. Yeah, be careful, you can't see anything. It's pitch dark and the only light is behind me inside the house. It's like lightning right above us now too. I think it's moving this way.
Yeah, well, it's from the west.
Look at that one. Crazy. Wow, that was really bright. That blinded me. It's weird to see this much lightning but not hearing any cracking noises or striking noises.
Yeah, it's supposed to be about 11 o'clock.
There's some weird looking lightning because it's just in that area too, right there in the west. A little bit in the south, but not too much. See, I don't watch TV, so I gotta find other things to watch. I'm standing out here watching the lightning storm. Wow. I don't know how much of the camera is going to pick up this lightning storm, but it's an amazing show going on out there. I should climb up on my roof, huh? Whoa. Some strange electromagnetic lightning going on over there. I feel a couple raindrops.
Feel it?
Yeah, every now and then I feel a couple. Wow. Can you see it from down there? I'm standing on top of my steps. My wife's sitting down by the table. No clue what's going to show up on the camera because it's so dark out here. Alright, well, I think I'm going to stop filming here because I keep feeling more and more drops. Alright, anyways, if you like these kind of videos, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Don't cost you anything, it's free. These are cool, man. Thanks for taking the time to watch my videos. Be kind, people. How do I do my outro?
Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go.